Hi, thank you for watching this video on how to log into your GrassWorks account. First, you're going to want to go to our homepage at grassworks.org. Then you will click on Login in the upper right-hand corner. You may have it set up so that your information autofills, but if not, you will need to fill in your username or email and your password. If you don't remember your username, email, or password, just click on Having Trouble Logging In. Then put in the email address that's associated with your membership. That might be your email, your farm's email, or someone else in your household. And then click Continue, and that will send you information on how to log in. But we're going to go back here to log in. So this is our test account for Charlie GrassWorks. We'll log in here, and you'll see this takes us to the member dashboard. At the member dashboard, you can see all sorts of information on the left, from managing your email subscriptions, changing your password, ordering grazing guides or sticks, looking at your donations, your membership level. I want to point out quickly on the memberships, you can set up auto renew for your membership, so it just automatically renews every year. But we're going to go back to the dashboard and look at the grazing conference discount. So this year for the 2026 conference, we're excited to offer a discount for members. That code is going to be right here where it says hidden text. So you'll want to copy that code or remember it, and then you can go right over to upcoming events. Under upcoming events, you can select the GrassWorks Grazing Conference, and this will go ahead and get you started for registration. You'll notice at the top that it does pull in your name. So what's nice about registering through this method is that it will actually autofill your name and address, so you won't have to fill that all out later. I'm just going to go back to the dashboard here. Once you have registered for the grazing conference, that will show up in your registered events. So if you want to check and see what you've registered for after you fill that out, you can do that here in your member dashboard. If you have any other questions, please feel free to email us at info@grassworks.org. Thanks, and have a great day.